We finished up all of the services on our 1.5 here. We went ahead and pulled it off the dyno and began tearing it down to get all of our post results. We found a compression increase of 4%. This is due to EPR cleaning the rings and allowing them to seat to the cylinder walls better. It balanced out across the cylinders, as well as bumped up a few of the lower compression cylinders. We also saw a valve weight reduction of 0.028 grams. This is due to Platinum cleaning the carbon off the valves and getting it out of the system. We saw a flow increase of 2.67% on the injectors. This is due to 44K cleaning out the deposits and the fuel lines, and then cleaning those nozzles on the injectors. Because of those reductions in valve weight and increased flow on the injectors, we saw an emissions decrease of CO2 decreased by 2.27% and our NOx decreased by 100%. And this all resulted in our horsepower and torque increasing. We got 1.6% more horsepower and 9.5% more torque. And then all of this together, we ended up seeing 3% decrease in fuel consumption over the entirety of the test. Thanks for watching.